I'm going down because you ain't around. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara and I am back with another try on haul. And this time it's gonna be like a little lookbook. Some of the things that's already in my closet that I am going to put together, and some of the stuff that you haven't even seen before. And also, I am in real time, y'all. Today is January the 10th, and it's snowing in Atlanta, Georgia. So I don't even have my, natural sunlight, because I normally use my ring light and my, sunlight from outside, but it is all good. I had to make sure I recorded this video so my routine can stay on track. My girly been weighing me down this week, so I'm like, let me just get it in this week. Well, today. All right, y'all. So for the first look that I put together, y'all already seen this shirt. It says, "Stop copying me. You're not doing it right." It's just a white crop tee. And I got my black and grayish plaid button down shirt, little dress type. And I actually want to get this in all colors because I really like this, and I forgot where I got it from. But yeah, and then I paired it with some blue jeans. Do y'all I feel like this would go better with some black jeans instead of some blue jeans. But I don't really have any black jeans. I got some black no, I don't even have leggings. So yeah, I don't even have black jeans. So I feel like this will go better with black jeans, but I feel like it looks good like this too. And I have on my my black Converses, and y'all probably won't be able to see the full look. I'm gonna try in the thumbnail. I'm gonna try to let y'all see like the full look, but yeah. But it's giving like winter vibes. It's definitely giving winter vibes. And I put the hair back out. I had to put the hair back out. But yeah, see, and it goes good with it. But yeah, I do feel like that this will go best with some black jeans. So, some black jeans. Y'all like this? What I put together? I'm definitely gonna get more of these in different colors. Yeah. Honestly, this is how I want to dress. Really, like loose. The jeans could be more looser, just comfortable, like. And I got the hat. What y'all think with the hat, with it? Y'all like the hat? I think it's a look. I think it's a look. Definitely a look. I'm going down because you ain't around. My home. I ain't gonna do it. Word. Okay, the next look I put together was my 90s baby yellow crop sweater. And I paired it up with my colorful rainbow leggings. These are my favorite, little leggings or whatever. I haven't worn them in a long time, but they fit the same pretty much because they stretchable. And I hope I ain't got no diaper booty. But yeah, anyway, yeah, this goes good together. This goes very well together. Like, I got some stuff in my closet, y'all. I really do. I just don't really be putting in the effort sometimes when I be going out. Like, well, yeah. Look at it. Yeah, it definitely goes good together with that yellow 90s baby. I know it's some 90s babies. There's even some 80s babies on here. Yeah, but I'm definitely one of those nostalgia 90s babies. I love all things 90s. If you must know, I love all things 90s. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, everything. So yeah, y'all. So y'all like this little look that I put together? Let me know if y'all want more lookbooks. I like lookbooks. I definitely like lookbooks. Yeah. I look skinny in these little legging types. Anyway, you know, I got the hat. I don't think that I got my colorful hat. I don't think it really goes with it though. I don't think so. I don't think it does. It's too bright. The colors are too bright and my leggings look a little bit darker, like a little dull. But what y'all think? I don't think it does go together. Okay. Yeah, I don't think so. No, I can do without the hat. I can definitely do without the hat. Yeah, it doesn't quite go together. It's giving white Christmas outside, for real, for real. I hope y'all are staying safe out there. All right, y'all, it's 11:11, so make a wish. Oh, it's 11:12 now. Maybe next time. But anyway, y'all, so the last look that I put together. Okay, y'all, so this was originally a two-piece set that I had bought from somewhere years ago. And I put the dollar signs on there. I heat pressed the dollar signs on there myself. Yep. Myself. And they kind of wearing out now due to wear and tear. But yeah, this is an all black two-piece set with the crop top and then the legging, the high waist legging at the top. But yeah, and then I paired it with my blue jean overall, okay? So it gives like, you know that 80s, 90s little style, a little mixture or whatever. I actually want to get some long pants overalls, but I saw these at Walmart and I don't wanted them because I'm like, they super comfortable, like laid back type of vibe, and that's how I really want to dress for real. Like I want to dress like the 90s mixed with, you know, early 2000s millennium. Like that's how I really want to dress for real. But yeah, but I think it's a look. What y'all think? Y'all think this will look better if I didn't have like the dollar signs on there and it would have been strictly like an all black, you know, two-piece set? I think so. I think so. I think it would have looked better that way. But it's still good. But yeah, it's definitely better like this with the one little thing off. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, y'all. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on that post notification so you can know exactly when I drop a new video, y'all. And if you made it towards the end of this video, drop a purple heart. Drop a purple heart. And I will see y'all in the next video. I'll see y'all in the next video.